The present Solana cost is $14.91 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $130,897,839. Solana is down 1.38% as of now. The ongoing coin market cap positioning is number 10, with a live market cap of $1,273,881,101. It has a coursing supply of 394,890,490 Sol coins, and the maximum supply isn't accessible. Solana cost investigation shows that the pattern is as yet negative as the value keeps on declining. Costs have been falling starting from the start of today and are supposed to stay at or underneath current level. The descending tension on costs has been driven by selling strain from merchants as well as an absence of new purchasing. The help level for the SOL-USD pair is presently at $15.49, and any break beneath this level could prompt further drawback. On the potential gain, obstruction is seen around the mental degree of $15.92, and a break over that could see costs heading higher. The general 24-hour exchanging volume for SOL-USD is at present at $147 million, and the market capitalization is exchanging at $6.34 billion. SOL divided by $1 day cost graph bears mount strain as auction accumulates pace. The one-day Solana cost investigation affirms major areas of strength for a pattern for the market today, as the value keeps on declining. Force is negative, and costs are probably going to stay at current or lower levels sooner rather than later. The opposition level is seen around the mental degree of $15.92, and any breakover that could prompt further potential gains. The SOL cost is at present exchanging at $15.58, and any break beneath this level could prompt further disadvantage strain on costs. The RSI is as of now at 34.14, showing that the market is oversold and further drawback is conceivable sooner rather than later. The upper and lower groups of the Bollinger Groups are likewise near one another, which proposes that the market is in a union stage. The upper Bollinger Band is right now $23.29, while the lower Bollinger Band is at present at $12.65. The MACD has likewise crossed into a negative area, flagging a negative pattern at Solana costs in the close to term. Solana cost examination proposes that the market is as yet negative and costs are probably going to stay at current or lower levels sooner rather than later. The opposition level is seen around the mental degree of $15.92, and any breakover that could prompt further potential gains. The SOL-USD pair is right now exchanging at $15.58, and any break beneath this level could prompt further drawback strain on costs. Solana Value Expectation 2023. Our Solana cost forecast keeps on arriving at new highs and expects that in 2023, Solana can accomplish a greatest cost of $30.78, while the typical cost for the year will remain around $27.87. On the off chance that a bear market shows up, the base value SOL can reach in 2024 is $26.76. Solana Value Expectation 2024. Our Solana cost forecast for 2024 shows that Solana will rise and possibly accomplish a greatest value worth of $46.93, albeit the cost expanded from the earlier year. The coin should encounter a base cost of $38.32 and a typical exchanging cost of $39.71. Solana Value Expectation 2025. Our Solana cost expectation for 2025 anticipates that Solana should arrive at any rate cost of $56.10, a normal of $57.69, and, before the year's over, a greatest cost of $67.14. Solana Value Expectation 2026 out of 2026. Solana's cost is figured to encounter amazing development as crypto earns respect across numerous business areas. Thus, the cost could reach as high as $95.23, averaging around $82.20. Solana could see a base cost of $95.23. Solana Value Expectation 2027. And our Solana cost expectation for 2027. SOL is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $121.26 and $137.51. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $57.68. Solana Value Expectation 2028. Our Solana cost forecast for 2028 shows that Solana will achieve a most extreme value worth of $213.69, albeit the cost increments from the earlier year. The coin should encounter a base cost of $172.37 and a typical exchanging cost of $178.64. Solana Value Expectation 2029. Our Solana cost forecast for 2029 recommends a base worth of $244.96. The cost of the resource could arrive at a greatest worth of $299.39 with a typical exchanging cost of $252.11 all through 2029. Solana Value Expectation 2030. Our Solana cost forecast for 2030 states that the Solana value reach will hit a greatest base cost of $415.73. We anticipate that the computerized coin should proceed with its bullish run from the earlier year while keeping a base and normal cost of $336.31 and $348.92 individually. Solana Value Expectation 2031. Our Solana cost expectation for 2031 guesses that the digital currency will arrive at its most exorbitant cost of $597.80. The assessed least exchanging cost for the Sol coin is $484.67. with an anticipated typical market worth of $502.11. Solana Value Expectation 2032. Our Solana cost forecast for 2032 expects a most extreme cost of $855.78. The coin is supposed to cost $708.61 by and large, with a base cost of $688.52. As a main Layer 1 organization, financial backers are seeing the way that Solana proceeds, as this organization is one of the most lively concerning its non-fungible symbolic volumes, as well as other DeFi-related projects depending on low exchange expenses and fast. Helium's choice to join the Solana network instead of stick it out demonstrates blockchains like Solana can cause a rush. Nothing in life is awesome. That implies no blockchain is awesome. The substantial reactions of Solana are basic to how it functions. Solana appears to be quicker and practically equivalent to ETH. Here is a solid conversation about the chaos that Solana is dead. Obviously, it isn't at present. Solana has lost more than $50 billion in esteem starting from the start of 2022. A year set apart by blackouts, overburdens, and critical openness to Sam Bankman-Broyles' FTX trade. Solana blockchain was acquainted with rival the Ethereum blockchain, which brought the ongoing transformation, particularly with shrewd agreement. Innovation needs to go on to empower the developments of decentralized finance, non-fungible tokens, decentralized applications, and the wide range of various ideas like yield cultivating, liquidity mining, marking, and so on that go with these creations. Today, Solana is satisfying its motivation as an ever-increasing number of individuals keep taking on digital money. Its local symbolic SOL is currently valued at about $218.43,203.94%, up from its underlying cost at send-off. The blockchain transformation guaranteed financial backers of advanced coins that would offer security and secrecy through the tough cryptographic calculation that guarantees that regardless of whether exchanges are kept in the public blockchain network, the character of the source and the beneficiary is constantly taken cover behind certain addresses. Solana has demonstrated that blockchains can be harmless to the ecosystem, quick, and modest. Solana Pay is the fate of installments. The blockchain is removing the